Welcome to Newark's Harvest, a citywide garden tour. I started organizing the citywide garden tour in 2017 as a way to place a broader spotlight on Newark's agricultural landscape. It's also a way for residents to become more acquainted with the gardens and small-scale farms that exist throughout the city of Newark.
It's all about how we use our land, right, as people. And that's true of cities and rural areas. We have an opportunity right now, while the city still has a lot of need and a lot of vacant land, to make the case that we can produce our own food here, produce our own products here in a very sustainable local way, and increase health outcomes by doing that.
When they step into it, they say it is so peaceful here. You can kind of sense that real spiritual vibe back here, even though we're in the middle of the city.
This is just bringing me back to my childhood. Like when I'm here, I can't believe it that I have a little bit of me here in this city.
I was taken back to my childhood when I would pick peppermint for my mom in her front yard. Having that kind of like remembrance and going back to that space, that's healing. After the herbalism workshop, I led the yoga Get Rooted class. And it was another wonderful experience because there's nothing like receiving and exchanging that energy with the earth.
Today, people can come out. We've got mums to plant to beautify the garden. We've got herbs that we're going to plant. So people can come out to rejuvenate the garden by planting here, but they can also take home a seeds tray.
You are here live at General on Grafton, North Newark's Ethno-Botanical Garden, produced by Newark Science and Sustainability. We have a wealth of activations happening today, an Ethno-Botanical Garden tour, reproduction by Grounded Music, sounds from DJ Sick, and food from Elegant Bouquet Kitchen, featuring a wealth of plant forward options, farm to table. So we just wrapped up a dope workshop with Natural Round 1, led by Hajadina Corbin. She's a licensed aromatherapist, and she was teaching us how to take carrier oil and infuse it with lavender, and teaching us about the power of lavender and how to use it to heal our bodies and keep us focused. We're growing food and giving food away to the community. We're teaching people how to grow food. And of course, we are teaching people how to make medicine out of the food grown here.
So let's put a little bit more resources, a little bit more investment, a little bit more support behind people who are trying to do it small scale, local, and close by. I think people see how productive and how valid that could be.
More community gardens. I think it's the future, given what we have now in the environment and around the country, but I think it's the way to go. I really do.